Hi, welcome to this video. Can I guide you through how to get voice chat on Roblox without ID? To get voice chat feature on Roblox without government ID, you must verify your account with a working phone number. Roblox also requires that your account's birth date is set to 13 or older. So log in, right? Head over to settings, click more here in the bottom right, scroll a bit down, find settings, tap account info. Inside, you're gonna go to the phone number section. You're gonna add a working phone number. Enter your phone number and confirm it with a one-time text message code you receive, right? And next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to the privacy and content restrictions inside here, inside the main settings. And look for communication or beta features, right? And enable voice chat to on. So party on, group party on, go back, camera input, turn on the camera input, and basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe.